Okay, so we've processed our multispectral orthomosaic in ArcGIS Metashape, and we successfully exported it in the coordinate system that we wanted. And if we want to double check that, we can right click and go to Properties and Source and Spatial Reference. So this is where we're located, which is great. But you might notice that this is a job from multiple flights in our Wingtra drone over multiple days. And so the lighting conditions varied, and it results in this pretty uneven looking visual representation of the beach and dune system that we're interested in showing our project manager. And so I'm going to show you in this video ways that you can edit the symbology of your orthomosaic, assuming it has multispectral data, to better visualize it as best we can. Okay, so with the Wingtra sensor that we use, the Red Edge P, it has 6 bands. We have the red, green, and blue typical bands. We have a near infrared, an infrared, and a panchromatic band. But the way that the bands come in is not your typical red, green, blue. In this case, our red band is band number 3, green band is band number 2, and blue band is band number 1. To get there, you just right click and go to symbology, and then this window pops up. So once you've got that set, you're looking at a more accurate representation of what the colors that we can see are in real life compared to what the sensor can see. Okay, so now to get to the point, to change this darkness, you can mess around with the minimum and maximum stretch types. So that was what was in here right now. None, it would just pop up like this. Percent clip cuts off the highest and lowest values, and what works best might depend on how badly your lighting differences are. Standard deviation, you can see some areas got bright, some areas look kind of regular, some areas are still dark. So the goal is to mess around with this until you get something that's more equal in terms of the visualization of your orthomosaic. And if you, for example, had an orthomosaic and it came in with a black or a white border, like a rectangular border, for example, this happens a lot with our imagery, you can actually mask that right here, display background value, using black or white values in the color ramp here as needed. Okay, so that's how you do it. If anyone has any tips on how to get this to blend more evenly, that is greatly appreciated because that's actually something that we're struggling with currently. All right, thanks for watching.